Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. If you're tired of the bright white screen or simply want a sleek, eye-friendly look, follow these simple steps to transform your experience. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access additional settings. Next, look towards the top right corner and tap the gear icon. This opens the settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your Snapchat experience. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled My Account. Under this category, tap on App Appearance. This is where you'll find options to adjust how Snapchat looks on your device. In the App Appearance menu, you'll see three options: Always Light, Match System, and Always Dark. To enable dark mode permanently, select Always Dark. Confirm your choice and Snapchat will instantly switch to a darker theme. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Snapchat. Enjoy the benefits of reduced eye strain and a stylish new look while using the app. If you ever want to switch back, simply follow these steps and choose Always Light or Match System instead. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to share this guide with anyone who might find it helpful. See you next time.